Hello everyone and welcome to Fondofrats. Today I'm going to be doing a little review on a package that I got of bird toys for my rats on Amazon. Let's take a quick peek at what's inside here. So first up is this little bird perch. So this attaches to the edge of the cage and then the rats can use it to climb on and they can use it to perch around the cage. Next up are these two chew toys. They have bells on the end, which is not my preferred thing for them to have, but it does provide them with some wood for them to chew on in the cage, and they have really nice hooks, and I think I can repurpose these to use for hammocks once they're finished with the chew toys. These two are very similar chew toys, only they're a little bit longer. They also have bells on the end, but I think they'll have a lot of fun just chewing this. So this came with the package of things as well. All these things came together, so I didn't get to choose necessarily, because this will be hard for them to play with because it's very, very wobbly. So for them to actually get on it and find a good way to chew it, I think I'll just have to be strategic with how I put this up in the cage, because really it is meant for birds. This bridge is my favorite out of all the things by far. I think they'll have a lot of fun climbing on this and just having it to walk around on and make the cage more accessible in all areas. Something that came with the bridge are these two clips so that it can clip onto the cage. And I think these clips can be used for this bridge, but they can also be used for hammocks and things as well. So this is what came in the package altogether. Overall, I would say I'm pretty pleased with what I've got. The only thing is that the bridge was actually a little bit shorter than the measurements said online. So that's a little bit disappointing, but otherwise everything was according to the measurements. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram at Fondofrats. Bye!